everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can recover ChatGPT account password. Now to do that, what you need to do is open a Google browser in your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in chat.openai.com and press enter. This will direct you to this page where you need to click on login. Click that. Once you're at this page, you provide the email address of yours and then click on continue. Now on this page, as we are going to recover the account password, you need to click on forgot password over here. Click on forgot password, enter your email address and they will send you a instruction to reset your password. So here you provide your email address, then click on continue. After that, you need to go and check out your Gmail where ChatGPT has sent a mail with the instruction to reset your password. So click open the mail on new tab. There's the mail on top, click upon that. Now all you have to do in here is you need to click on reset password, click that. And after that you will be directed to this web page where you will be able to easily provide a new password for your account. Type in the new password in the text box. Re-enter the same password as above for confirmation, then click on reset password. With that, the password change process will be completed and you have successfully recovered your ChatGPT account password. Now you can log in into your account with the updated password of yours. So this is how you can recover ChatGPT account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.